outstanding morning, a very, very, very outstanding morning to all of you. Wow! This is Nancy once more. I am here once again para mag-say hi to you and para mag-share ng counting sharing of opportunity and what hope, you know. Lalabas ako ngayon, guys. So, ito, now is 2:30 p.m. Hindi na ako maka-live kasi, wala na, hindi makakunik, kaya nag-video na lang ako. So, I'm going there. I have to deliver products. It's there. And I have here also, beside me. Lalabas to share para hanapin yung mga nangangailangan kasi syempre we know very well that most of the people have many of the people have financial issue, have health issues, so hanapin natin sila kahit we are willing to help them kung gusto rin nila. So but then kahit hindi nila gusto, kailangan pa rin nating mag-share. Malay mo kung magustuhan din nila. So, kasi pag tayo nag-share ng product, akala lang nila binibintahan natin and what. But let's do our mission, share without intention. Yan. Basta share lang. Kung gusto nila, okay, fine, thank you so much. Kasi tutulungan nila ang sarili nila. And kung ayaw nila, it's okay pa rin. Basta mag-share pa rin tayo. So, share pa rin, do a mission. Bahala sila mag-decide, right? So, hi to everyone, challengers, Edmark International, Edmark Philippines, Edmark Pakistan, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and Philippines. To all my friends, my business partners, and to all my family members there, my in-laws, my sisters and brother, my son is there. Hi to all, Edmark Bicol, Edmark Camarines Norte. We have online on-hand product there. Those who are interested to use, to be a consumer, to repair, to rebuild their hope, you know, to repair their health, you know. Kinukulang ako ng wala pala akong water na dala. So, I'm here. I am willing to assist to those who don't know this kind of business. Wow, don't worry. I am here. This is Nancy once more. Aalis na ako. May naghihintay sa akin. My daughter is waiting. So, so I do this live to say hi to you all, okay? Edmark International, thank you so much, because I am one of the 1% people who like to create future, okay? Thank you God, thank you so much, thank you God, thanks God. Salamat po, oh Lord, Panginoon. Salamat.